The Material World 23. I had a thought which I wanted to share. If a person had to cross a country and was presented different paths to choose from, such as a path through a dangerous jungle, or over a mountain, or through an underground cave, an intelligent person would certainly choose the simplest and easiest path. This would allow them to reach their destination safely while achieving peace of mind and body. Only a fool would choose a difficult and dangerous path, thereby unnecessarily burdening themselves. In reality, each person is on a journey through this world, and their destination is the hereafter. Therefore, an intelligent Muslim should choose the path through this world which is easy and straightforward, in order to reach the hereafter safely. This path consists of fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and only taking from this material world in order to fulfill their necessities and the necessities of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. This would allow them to reach the hereafter safely while obtaining peace of mind and body. But the more one indulges in the excess of this material world, and unnecessarily devotes themselves to people and their desires, the more difficult their journey will become. This attitude will only deprive them of peace of mind and body, and reduce the chances of them reaching the hereafter safely. To conclude, Muslims must understand that life is a journey, so they should therefore be kind to themselves, and choose the simple and easy path in order to reach the hereafter safely, thereby obtaining peace of mind and body in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.